In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust UI scale in DaVinci Resolve. If the text buttons or panels in DaVinci Resolve look too small or too large on your screen, changing the user interface scale can make the whole program much more comfortable to use. This is especially helpful if you're working on a high-resolution monitor, a laptop screen, or any setup where the default layout doesn't feel quite right. The good news is that this adjustment is very quick and easy to make. To begin, look at the top left corner of DaVinci Resolve. From there, click on DaVinci Resolve to open the main application menu. This is where you'll find several core settings related to how the software behaves. Once that menu opens, click on Preferences. This will take you into the settings area where you can customize parts of the program to better match your workflow and display needs. When the Preferences window appears, go to the top and click the User tab. This section contains personal interface and usability settings rather than project-specific options, which is why the UI scale setting is located here. After you're in the User tab, look for the UI settings section. In that area, find the UI display scale setting. This controls the overall size of the interface elements you see on screen, including menus, panels, and text. Click on that setting to open the available scale options. Now simply choose the scale you'd like to use. Pick the option that looks best for your screen and feels easiest to read and navigate. If things have been feeling cramped, try a larger scale. If you want to fit more on screen, a smaller scale may work better. The best choice really depends on your monitor size and your personal preference. After selecting your preferred scale, that's it. You've successfully adjusted the UI scale in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, if you're not sure which option to choose, start with a moderate change rather than a dramatic one. That makes it easier to find a comfortable balance without making the interface feel too crowded or too oversized. Small adjustments can make a big difference in day-to-day editing, and that's all there is to it. You now know how to adjust the UI scale in DaVinci Resolve so the interface is easier to view and use.